in the first place. The corn, chocolate, vanilla, tomatoes. These are all early crops cultivated in what is now Mexico. So these people have been here for centuries. And so this represents the corn harvest there. This represents the ceremony of it. You see the deer. Often a lot of the artwork is balanced with duality of male and female, so forth. And here, of course, they're represented as deer. So you have the buck here, the doe there. The sun makes it grow as well. You see flowers. And here, this has a ceremonial wand, which you see also there. You stick with the two feathers, the black and white feathers, represent eagle feathers. Eagle, again, is considered very important to them because the eagle flies the closest to the sun, so it has a lot of that power. So I put some plastic on here to protect it. You can pass that around. So far, at least 3,000 students have been looking at that throughout New England. This is our last week on the tour. Cilau heads back to Mexico on Friday. This is a sample of a bracelet, a woven bracelet. You can see how the beads are all perfectly, symmetrical, measured the same amount of measurement in each one. You can pass that around as well. Then I want to give you an opportunity to see one other one. This is one that was made by Cilau. Now, a few months ago, I actually went down to meet with Cilau, and I spent a couple days, learned more about his artwork and tradition. He took me to a beautiful spot, one of the places he likes to go to meditate, to get inspired. It's called the Tabara Ecological Reserve. If you notice, this part of Mexico is very tropical, and it's quite honestly, there's a huge river nearby, the largest river, the Rio Lermas in Mexico, and all around are different tributaries and different mangrove swamps. So he took me to one of these swamps, and there's birds and turtles, and the water's so clear you can see the fish. They even have jaguars, and there are lots of crocodiles where we were. And then afterwards, he took me back to his house where he and his father were in a workshop, and he made this yarn painting. This represents a kiri. The kiri is considered a sacred flower to them, and one of the reasons it's considered so sacred is that it grows not on the best of conditions, beautiful, cultivated land and with earth, with lots of nutrients and everything. It grows where the conditions are the worst, rocky terrain, hardly any soil at all, yet this beautiful flower grows there. So it's considered sacred to them. I want to pass this around. And then what we want to do is show you a video of how